The following video is about a really useful feature in Microsoft Teams called Microsoft Search Coach. Microsoft Search Coach will help you to find accurate and reliable information when you're researching for your CBAs. So Search Coach is available on both the iPad app and the desktop Teams app. So I'm in the desktop Teams app here and I've navigated to my class team. You'll see up the top here there are several tabs. I'm just going to click on the option to show more. Your teacher will have to add in the Search Coach app to your team, but it should be available here as a tab. So once I click into the Search Coach tab, you can see it launches Microsoft Search Coach itself, and this is the interface we're left with. So you can see up the top is your search box. This is very similar to how you would use Google. So we can just click in here and enter in our search query. I'm going to use the Renaissance here as an example, as a junior cycle history topic. So if I press search here, it'll bring up all of the results. If we scroll down a small bit, we can see the results are starting to show. They give you a little search tip each time you search as well, which is good. It helps you to learn how to search websites effectively. Let's look at the first result here. So this is from Britannica on the Renaissance, and you're given three little boxes down the bottom. The first one is a NewsGuard rating. I'll go through that in a second. The second one is the actual domain, so that's the name of the website and the time it was last crawled, so when the search actually looked through the web page for new information. So here you've got the NewsGuard rating 87.5%, and if we click into it, it'll tell you all of the things as to why the website is credible or transparent in its information. You can see here that it doesn't regularly clarify or correct errors, so it's only given 87.5, but as you scroll down you'll see the NewsGuard ratings will start to get worse. So you'll see one of them has 70%. This website has an unknown NewsGuard rating, for example. So it's a really useful tool to see what is actually reliable. But if we scroll up to the top, you can see there are several different search filters. So for the domain, you can, if you're looking for an Irish website, for example, you can just choose .ie. If you're looking for an American website, you can choose .us or whatever it might be. So you can see here, if we click more, all of the domains for all of the countries. So if you're researching a specific country, it's good to actually use the domain from that particular country. You're more likely to get accurate information. You can search by file type here as well. So if you're searching for a PowerPoint or a PDF or a document, so a Word document, you can turn on that filter there as well. You can search by date range, so if it's a newer information you're after, you can filter it that way. And you can also use operators. So if you're using quotation marks to give you the exact words of the search, you can search for one thing or the other, and you can search for one thing and not the other. They are the operators that help you with searching. So yeah, that's a quick run through Microsoft Search Coach. Really useful tool for researching for CBAs, and it will be built into Microsoft Teams.